Hello students, welcome back to the class on Entrepreneurship Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. In my previous presentation, I gave you a brief concept about entrepreneurship, innovation and invention in the introductory part. Now, as I come to this exposition part, I shall provide you with a detailed idea about these concepts and the basic difference between invention and innovation. As you can see from this chart, that there are three columns: basis for comparison, invention and innovation. On what basis that both the terms invention and innovations are different from one another? If I go by the definition, which is called here as the meaning, invention refers to the occurrence of an idea for a product or process that has never been made before. Innovation implies the implementation of idea for product or process for the very first time. Something that is new, that is innovation. What is? Invention is creation of a new product, where innovation is adding value to something already existing. The basic concept is that in invention, an original idea and its working in theory. In innovation, practical implementation of the new idea. In case of invention, the basic skill required is the scientific skill, whereas in case of innovation, the basic skill are the set of marketing, technical and strategic skill. Invention occurs when new idea strikes a scientist. However, innovation occurs when a set of marketing, technical and strategic skills, or when a need is felt for a product or improvement in existing products. In case of invention, is concerned with single product or process, whereas innovation is concerned with a combination of various products and processes. Invention is limited to R&D department only, whereas innovation is spread across the organization. So you can see from this distinction that there is a clear difference between invention and innovation. And innovation is considered as a broad area in comparison to invention. Again, if you notice this particular chart or table, it has been taken from the book on entrepreneurship and innovation by Martas All Egomi in chapter 2. The elements of innovation process are, what are the elements of innovation process? We can see that there are analytical planning is conducted, then organizing resources, implementation and commercial application. These are the four elements of innovation process. In case of analytical planning, to identify the product design, marketing strategy and financial need are taken into account. In case of organizing resources, to obtain materials, technology, human resource and capital are the prime focus of the entrepreneur. In case of implementation, to accomplish the organizational goals, product design, manufacturing and services are taken into account. And in case of commercial applications, value to the customers are important, rewards for employees, revenue to the investors, satisfaction of the founders, all these things comes into play. So innovation is the developmental process. It is the translation of an idea into an application. It requires persistence in analytically working out the details of the product design or service to develop marketing, obtain finance and plan operations. So we can see that innovation is a developmental process and a broader view towards organizational effectiveness. Thank you very much.